Learn these parent verbs and their Igbo meanings in the alphabet. We are going to learn parent verbs that starts in the alphabet. Igbo, English. The first side, you have Igbo. Igbo consists of parent verbs, as you can see them in the alphabet. Igbo consists of parent verbs that starts in the alphabet. English meaning, you have them here. Let's start. The first word is da, meaning for. Da, for. De, right. De, right. Duo, lead. Duo, lead. That is to lead way. Dupuo, pias. Dupuo, pias. Dupu, push out. Dupu, push out. Dopu, pull out. Dopu, pull out. Danye or daba, fall into. Danye or daba, fall into. Dapo, fall out. Dapo, fall out. All these are examples of parent verbs that starts with letter D alphabet and their English meanings. Like and share our videos. Follow for more.